How long have you been learning English? Could you speak up a little, please? Could you please say that again? Could you please repeat that? Would you mind spelling that for me? How do you pronounce this word? What do you mean by this? I'm sorry, what do you mean? What is this thing called in English? How many languages can you speak? I speak a little English. I can speak English very well. Your English is excellent. I wish I could speak English fluently like you. Please speak slowly. Please repeat what you said. I'm afraid to speak English. Sorry, my English is not quite good. How often do you speak English? I can read English very well, but I can't speak. I would like to improve my English speaking. You have good pronunciation. Good job! Well done! Fantastic! Perfect! That's great! Nice work! Excellent! That's really remarkable! Good grades! What a nice dress! You look great! This dish is delicious! You look very good in that suit. This tie looks nice on you. You have a nice voice. You look very handsome. I like your haircut. What a beautiful house! What a nice apartment! I really must express my admiration for your speech. How kind of you to say so. It's nice of you to say so. It's very kind of you to say that. Really? I'm not sure about that, actually. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. It was nothing, really. I'm delighted to hear that. Thanks for your compliment. I'm sorry to say this, but I hate to tell you, but I'm angry about. I have a complaint to make. There seems to be a problem with. I'm afraid there is a slight problem with. Sorry to bother you, but I'm not satisfied with. Wouldn't it be a good idea to. Wouldn't it be a good idea not to? There appears to be something wrong with. I was expecting, but. Sorry to bother you, but I want to complain about. I'm afraid I've got a complaint about. I have to make a complaint about. I don't understand why. Excuse me, but there is a problem. Would you mind? I'm so sorry, but this will never happen again. I'm sorry, we promise never to make the same mistake again. I can't tell you how sorry I am. I wish it never happened. Sorry, there is nothing we can do about it. Sorry, but it's not our fault. I'm afraid there isn't much we can do about it.
I'm learning English. Yes, it's true. The more I practice, the more I do. Dreams